Top 3 Robot Lawn Mowers, a detailed comparison. When it comes to robotic lawn mowers, there are many options available, each with unique features and capabilities. This video compares the robot lawn mower with stable boundary wire, the Worx Landroid S20V robotic lawn mower, and the Husqvarna Automower 430X to help you make an informed decision. The robot lawn mower with stable boundary wire is a reliable machine for small to medium-sized lawns. Its grid-shaped mowing path enhances efficiency, and its IPX6 waterproof rating ensures durability in varying weather conditions. Pros: efficiency and coverage. The grid-shaped mowing path minimizes missed areas, ideal for lawns up to 0.222 acres. Weather resistance. The IPX6 waterproof rating ensures reliability in wet conditions. Automatic mapping. Built-in sensors provide systematic mowing and reduce overlap. Quiet operation. Operates at low noise levels. Affordable. Offers excellent value for its features. Cons: boundary wire dependency. Installation can be time-consuming and limits flexibility for layout changes. Limited app features, lacks advanced app-controlled capabilities. Small lawn compatibility, suited for smaller lawns only. The Worx Landroid S20V is compact and powerful, designed for lawns up to 1/8 acre. It offers customizable mowing schedules and smart app integration, ideal for tech-savvy users. Pros: customizable schedules. Tailored mowing schedules via the app ensure convenience. Compact design. Suitable for tight spaces and complex layouts. Smart app integration includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for remote operation. Obstacle detection. Sensors help navigate around obstacles. Affordable. A budget-friendly option for smaller lawns. Cons: limited lawn size, not suitable for larger properties. Weather sensitivity, less reliable in rainy conditions. Battery life, frequent charging required for denser lawns. The Husqvarna Automower 430X is a premium robotic mower for medium to large lawns. It features GPS-assisted navigation and advanced smart technology integration. Pros: large lawn compatibility, handles lawns up to 0.8 acres. GPS-assisted navigation ensures thorough and efficient mowing. Weather resistance. Operates reliably in various weather conditions. Smart technology offers app control, scheduling, and theft prevention. Quiet operation. Ideal for residential use. Cons: price. High cost may deter budget-conscious buyers. Complex setup. Installation can be challenging. Maintenance costs. Higher ongoing costs than mid-range models. Each robotic mower has unique strengths. Robot lawn mower with stable boundary wire. Best for small to medium lawns, with a focus on affordability and efficiency. Worx Landroid S20V. Ideal for smaller lawns, offering customizable features and app integration. Husqvarna Automower 430X. Perfect for large properties where advanced technology and durability are key. Consider your lawn size, budget, and desired level of automation to choose the best fit.